right, guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chandrell, the Black Beauty gang. And guess what? I got another video for y'all. And y'all finna join me while I dye my hair pink. And I'm gonna leave the ends blonde. But yes, let's get into this video. New, go ahead and subscribe to your girl page because I'm coming back for more. So we got Splat. If y'all ever heard of Splat, it's a hair color product that you can get from Walmart because it's where I got it from, and it's a pretty much at home coloring kit. This is just all the products that they have that you can get. Yes, get into it. And I'm going to be using Pink Fetish. One application, long-lasting color. It's going to be the complete kit with the color, bleach, and the peroxide. I normally don't use products like that from Walmart. They're normally professional products. But today, because I don't have any professional Lightening Bleach or developer, pet peeve of mine, I'm gonna use what comes in the box. So you're gonna get this. You're gonna get the Lightening Bleach, and you're gonna also get the color. All right, let me go ahead and get ready for this video. Excuse me. All right, I'm back. So we're just gonna do what the instructions say. Of course, it comes with instructions on how to apply the Splat Rebellious color. And it also comes with gloves as well. And you can get it in English or Spanish. Snow, get back. All right. So this video, I said I didn't want to do a voiceover. So I'm just going to talk and record at the same time and see how I like this video. I don't know if y'all don't know, but if y'all don't know, I'm just a couple months in my YouTube journey, and I'm pretty excited about the journey. Originally started back in 2016, but one big mistake. If you're trying to grow your channel, don't delete your old videos like me, retard. I deleted my old videos, so you can't see my growth and you can't see where I started from, but know your girl grown. And I just want to try this thing out again because I know a little bit about everything, and I'm just gonna come and share it with y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open this up and I'm gonna pour it into this bottle of soup. All right, so your girl did weigh some, so it's gonna look like this, right? And you're just gonna shake it up. It already has the part that you would have to cut off, so let me go get some scissors. So I found the scissors. So what I'm gonna do is tie my hair up, right? Because I'm going to do sections. So as you can see, I have dreads, and this will be my November will be my 1-year anniversary for my dreads. I started these. Already had my sides shaved, but I will be in my 1-year anniversary, so I'm pretty excited. But I've been contemplating on shaving it off, but I don't know yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my clothing all the way up until my whole head is done. I have it fully saturated on my hair, and I'm gonna leave it in, let me see what's going on right here. Not quite sure. It kind of looks like it's lifting kind of pretty fast, but that's kind of what I want. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put my shower cap on, let it process for about 20-30 minutes because it's pretty old, so I'm not gonna let it sit on my hair too long, but I do want it to process. And I will be back once it is ready. Oh yeah, so I'm back. So I washed all that stuff. Well, the product. I washed all the product out my hair, right? We're gonna do the reveal of what this lightener did to these roots, which it looked like it processed as what I can see up here. So it does appear to be light enough for my pink. Yeah, pretty light. Exactly what I was going for. And then we're going to put the dark pink right on top of this blonde right here. And we're going to, I guess, come down where it was already pink and just, you know, ombre that on down, but the roots will be pink. And yeah, if you are enjoying this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's get into applying this pink Fetish hair color. Going to let's see, tie my hair back up. Tie my hair back up. I'm gonna do this all over again with the color. Same process. All right, get into this color. Shake it up. All right, so let's reveal after the wash, because I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Give me a thumbs up if you're liking the video so far. And I know most of you that watch are not subscribed, but if you would do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to your girl channel, because I'm going to be back. All right, so let's see the final resort of the results of the color. Okay, I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm feeling it. Of course, I'm gonna get all this leftover color off my forehead, but yeah, I'm feeling this. So this is pretty much it, guys. This is pretty much how you dye your hair or your locks using the Splat, pretty much. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, but if you guys want to see how I style and retwist my dreads and the products that I use, go ahead and let me know in the comments, or go ahead and let me know by thumbing up this video or subscribing to your girl channel. Thank you so much, and I'll be back again.